In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Discord. First, open Discord and sign into your account. You will see the familiar layout of Discord with its channels and friends on the left side. This step is crucial as it allows you to access all the features and settings available to your account. Make sure you use the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. If you are using a mobile device, the app will load your home screen, presenting you with your friends and servers. Once you are signed in, you are ready to customize your account. Next, go to User Settings by clicking on the gear icon. This icon is usually located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you can adjust various settings related to your account, including privacy, notifications, and billing. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this section will help you navigate Discord more effectively in the future. Selecting the gear icon opens up a menu filled with options. This is where you'll find the settings to manage your payment methods. From there, select Billing from the menu options. In the Billing section, you will see all your current payment methods and any subscriptions linked to your account. This is an important area to check if you want to ensure that your subscriptions are up to date. By managing your billing options, you can enjoy uninterrupted access to your favorite Discord features. The screen will update to show your billing details, allowing you to proceed with adding a new payment method. Now, click or tap Add Payment Method. This button is prominently displayed, making it easy to find. When you select this option, a new window will pop up, guiding you through the next steps. This action is essential because it allows you to input a new payment method that suits your needs. Once you click on this, you are one step closer to being able to make purchases within Discord. Next up, choose a payment method from the options provided. You can select from a credit or debit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, or Google Pay, depending on your device and region. This flexibility is great because it allows you to use the method that you are most comfortable with. If you are in a specific region, you might also see localized options like GCash in the Philippines. Selecting your preferred payment method will streamline your future purchases on Discord. After that, enter your payment details and billing information accurately. Make sure to double-check everything you input. This is crucial because any errors may lead to payment failures. Include your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address, making sure they match your bank's records. Doing this correctly helps ensure that your payment method will be accepted without any issues. After you have filled out all the necessary information, you are almost done. Finally, select Save to add the payment method. Once you click this button, you will see a confirmation appear on the screen. This confirmation is your assurance that your payment method has been successfully added. It is a simple step, but it secures your ability to make purchases in the future. By saving your payment method, you ensure a seamless experience when buying games or subscriptions on Discord. If Discord says your payment method is invalid or failed, verify that your billing address matches your bank's records, your card information is correct, and the card has not expired. This tip is essential to troubleshoot any issues you may encounter. Following these steps will help you navigate your payment settings with ease.